Multi-directional pushover applies two independent lateral load distributions, one in X, one in Z, simultaneously in a single pushover. A conventional single-direction pushover can't represent bidirectional or torsionally-coupled response, but this method can. In this case, total base shear is set independently for each direction. Pattern type, uniform, triangular, or code, is also chosen independently per direction. The underlying distribution equations are the same ones used in conventional pushover, just applied separately to each axis. Primary direction determines which axis is displacement-controlled to the target displacement set in analysis setup. This is the part worth understanding clearly. The other direction isn't independently controlled to its own target. Both directions' loads sit inside the same linearly ramped pattern, so as the primary direction is pushed toward its target, the secondary direction scales proportionally alongside it. The secondary direction's response is a consequence of the primary direction's control, not a separately reachable target. This isn't a limitation specific to this software. Genuinely independent simultaneous displacement targets in 2 degrees of freedom aren't achievable with a single static integrator. This is the standard, physically consistent way a concurrent bidirectional pushover is run in OpenC's. Height and node number go into both the X and Z tables, same as conventional pushover. The per-node load isn't computed manually, it's generated automatically from each direction's pattern type, height, and total base shear. Generate TCL builds the merged pattern into the preview. Reviewing this preview matters more here than in a single-direction pushover, specifically checking the merged loads at any node that appears in both tables to confirm both components landed correctly on the same line. Insert TCL into Editor, save the file, then run OpenC's to execute the analysis and collect results. Working order in summary: set base shear and pattern type for each direction, choose which one is primary, fill in both load tables, review the merge pattern, then run.